I don't deal with rules well or standard ways of doing things. And I've never been great at dealing with authority of people telling me that you can't do that because of something or you can't do this because of something. Books are printed the way they are because there's sort of 500 years of history telling you how to do this, of learning what is good design, what is bad design, what works, what doesn't work. Computer people sometimes just ignore those things, that 500 years of history. And we tried at Adobe to strive not to ignore that stuff.
Adobe is a multinational computer software company based in San Jose, California. The company was founded in 1982 by John Warnock and Charles Geschke, who both previously worked at Xerox PARC. Adobe's initial focus was on creating software for the desktop publishing market, which was just beginning to take off at the time. One of Adobe's early successes was the release of PostScript, a programming language for printing documents that enabled high-quality typesetting. This technology was adopted by Apple for use in its Macintosh computers and laser printers, and helped establish Adobe as a leader in the desktop publishing industry.
I would not say I'm a perfectionist. What I would say is that you try to put taste into the things that you do, and it's so easy to write software that just exhibits bad taste.
In the 1990s, Adobe expanded its product line to include other software tools for creative professionals, such as Photoshop and Illustrator. These applications became industry standards for digital image editing and graphic design, and helped establish Adobe as a dominant player in the creative software market. In the early 2000s, Adobe began to shift its focus towards digital media and the web, with the release of products such as Acrobat and Flash. These tools helped to drive the growth of the internet and the rise of e-commerce, and solidified Adobe's position as a key player in the technology industry.
You're a creative professional, most likely you've heard of Adobe.
Adobe's products and services are widely used by professionals in a variety of industries including graphic design, photography, video editing, web development, and marketing. Its software are widely used by professionals, amateurs, and students. Its flagship products such as Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign are widely used in graphic design and print media. The company also offers Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects for video editing, and Adobe Dreamweaver for web development. Adobe has also been a leader in the digital document space with its PDF format and Acrobat software. Adobe's PDF format has become the de facto standard for electronic document sharing, and Adobe Acrobat is widely used for creating, editing, and viewing PDF files. In recent years, Adobe has also been expanding its presence in the mobile app space with mobile versions of its popular desktop software as well as new mobile-specific apps. Additionally, Adobe has been focusing on the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning in its software to enhance the user experience, improve efficiency, and automate repetitive tasks.
Which the cloud worked out phenomenally for them. They went from $4.2 billion in annual sales back in 2011 to that being their revenue they're bringing in for the quarter. Now, instead of just getting a one-time acquisition cost from a customer, customers be paying every month for years.
Adobe has also been investing in its cloud infrastructure, and has been moving more of its software and services to the cloud. This has enabled it to offer its customers more flexible subscription-based pricing models and provide more up-to-date features and capabilities.
Cloud in subscription, also called software as a service or SaaS, has completely taken over how people buy and consume software. You don't buy software, but you rent it with this monthly subscription plan.
It's been going, this transition from packaged software to subscriptions.
A few years ago, Scott, we just decided that we had a unique opportunity to reinvent creative. And what we wanted to do was provide access to the entire suite of Adobe software at a really affordable price to a much broader set of customers.
Adobe has a reputation for delivering high-quality, reliable software and services, and it has a large and dedicated customer base. The company has been consistently innovating and adapting to changing technology trends, which has helped it maintain its position as a leading player in the technology industry.
They look a lot like a lot of big tech companies, they look to acquisitions to helping them get into a new product area.
Today, Adobe is one of the most valuable tech companies in America and a leader in the digital media and marketing space. With a market capitalization of over $280 billion, it has become one of the most successful software companies in the world.